Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. I'm Deanna. Today we are doing the Aquamarine palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the look I created. We're going to go ahead and do a little tutorial with it as well. This palette is stunning, just so stunning. So let's go ahead and jump into the little tutorial. Alrighty, so this is the Aquamarine palette. Look how beautiful. These are just stunning. This glitter looks super cool. I'm just really excited for this palette. It's kind of neutral at the same time, which I kind of like. So let's go ahead and swatch these for you guys. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and dive on in. These have some of the cutest little names. Aquamarine, Affectionate, Daydreamer, Slightly Shy, Secretive, Big Heart, and Jet Setter is the glitter. These are so cute. My sister, her birthstone is Aquamarine, and I could definitely say that this definitely fits Avery quite well. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I'm going to go ahead and start into Affectionate and highlight my brow bone. And I've already gone ahead and primed my eyes with my MAC, my 24-hour prep and prime. And we are going to highlight this brow bone first. Ready, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush just to lightly blend away any excess and also soften up any of the lines I made. Let's go ahead and do a crease color, and let's go into Secretive. I think would be perfect. And I'm just going to take this same fluffy brush and just lightly toss that in my crease. And wow, a little goes a long way with that for sure. Love that. And we'll do the same thing to the other eye. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more over on this side. Alrighty, so next we're going to lightly tap into Big Heart here. And I'm using a kind of like soft angled brush. And we're just going to lightly tap this on the outer V. And then I'm going to slightly kind of drag it through the crease. And then now I'm just going to buff through it. We'll do the same thing on the other eye. Alrighty, so I was slowly building that up and I really like how this is looking right now. And yeah, I'm just like making sure it looks even. I think I just need to add a smidge more of the transition color. So this, the Secretive, just slightly out here and up above. And I'll do just a little touch of that on this side. Now, I really want to use this glitter, so I think I want to put Daydream right on this like inner lid area right here. So I'm going to try and find a packing brush really quick. Alrighty, so I went ahead and grabbed a packing brush. I'm going to go into Daydreamer right here. And we're going to pack this right on this like inner portion of my lid. And I'm really just packing this in place and not quite blending it yet. So now that I've got it packed in place, I'm going to go ahead and pack the other side before I start to blend, just so that if there is any crossover between the two shades, that they don't ruin what's already right here, you know? So let's go ahead and pack this in over here. So now that I've got both those packed on there quite well, making sure I'm getting it really close to the lash line as well. Alrighty, looks packed on there. So now I'm gonna slightly just start kind of going outside of the line in which that I already packed. Just slightly. And just tapping ever so slightly over the edge to soften these up. And it's not by any means gonna be a perfect blend right off the get-go. We're slowly working it to be a soft blend because we're gonna most likely put a little bit more of the Big Heart on there, but we really want to make sure we've got this going for us really good first. And that has like a really good blend going on it. Because I kind of like it how it is, honestly, now that I'm like looking at it. Yeah, actually I like it like this. So we're gonna leave it just like this. And so say you didn't get the blend you liked over here, you would just go back and forth between the Big Heart and the Daydreamer shade. So you'd go back and forth between these two until you liked the blend that you got. So like say I didn't really like I wanted more red to go through the blue, you would just take a little bit and you just lightly tap and work it slightly over until you liked the blend that it created and the gradient look that it created. Alrighty, so I've got my NYX glitter glue right here, and I'm gonna put this on a little bit of a concealer brush, and I'm not gonna use too much, just a really small amount, because I don't want to use too much glitter, and I'm only gonna focus the glitter on the center of my eye. So I'm gonna just lightly tap this, and I'm trying to like keep my eye kind of half open so I can tap this right where I want it to be, which is honestly in between the two shades. Okay, so now that I've got that tapped in there, I'm going to use the back side ever so lightly and just tap into the glitter and then just tap it on my eye ever so lightly. That's really cute, because like the Jet Setter glitter in here has like this it has like orangey yellow tones in the glitter as well. It's really interesting because at some points of the way the light hits it, it's a little bit of more of a greeny yellow blue color, and then sometimes when you hit it, it's like a pinky orangey yellow kind of color. This is really cool. We're gonna do the same thing to the other eye, so I'm gonna flip back over to the other side of my brush and just add a little bit of the NYX glitter glue. And then we're going to lightly tap on here as well. And remember, when you're doing the glitter glue, you want it to make sure it touches a little bit of the red and a little bit of the blue and right in between. And then we're going to go ahead and add the glitter now. And just a light little tap, and we'll slowly add the glitter on. And I'm just making sure I like how it fades out, that they look like they're even with glitter. Alrighty, and with this precision brush, I'm going to go into Aquamarine, and we're going to put this right on my inner corner. And I think I'll also take this Aquamarine color up into my brow bone as well. And I'm going to take a smudge brush and go back into Secretive right here and just put that on the under part of on my lower lashes. And then the same brush that I used for it earlier, I'm just going to use to dust it away. Very, very cute already, and I love it. Yeah, this is a fantastic palette. This looks amazing. I'm obsessed already. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back with the completed look, and this is it, y'all. I'll let you guys take a close look at the eyes. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. This is just totally a blast and just like so much fun. I don't know, I just really love this. I love this like red to blue. The glitter is just like giving me life completely. Alrighty, so this does complete today's video. I really do love this look. This palette is only $9 on BH Cosmetics website. You do get 7 whole shades. This thing is just stunning. I can't wait to order next month. I believe April. I'm not really sure what April is off the top of my head. I feel like April's Pearl, might be Diamond. Pearl or Diamond is probably what it's going to be, because I know May is going to be Emerald for sure. So I will see you guys in the next one. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!